Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain merging Fortnite accounts. Unfortunately, the direct merging of two separate Epic Games accounts is no longer a feature offered by Epic Games. This means you cannot combine items, V-Bucks, or progress from two distinct accounts into one. The option to merge accounts was removed several years ago, and Epic Games support is unable to assist with such requests. It's important to understand this current policy before attempting to combine your game data. In the past, Epic Games did offer a temporary account merging feature. This allowed players to combine progress and cosmetic items from certain console accounts, like PlayStation and Xbox or Switch, into a single primary account. This was particularly useful for players who had started playing on different platforms before crossplay was fully integrated. However, this feature was eventually removed to address issues like account selling and ownership disputes, ensuring the integrity of player accounts. While direct account merging is not possible, you can still link your console accounts, such as PlayStation, Xbox, or Nintendo Switch, to a single Epic Games account. This process allows your future progress, cosmetic items, and V-Bucks purchased on that Epic account to sync across all linked platforms. It ensures that your gameplay experience is consistent, no matter which supported device you choose to play on, centralizing your game data. It's crucial to remember that linking console accounts is different from merging two Epic Games accounts. You cannot transfer items, V-Bucks, or progress from one Epic Games account to another. Each Epic account remains distinct, with its own inventory and history. So, while you can enjoy seamless play across multiple platforms with a single Epic account, combining two entirely separate Epic accounts is simply not an option at this time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.